we started getting all his stuff back and everything from his friends, and we kind of just started like just leaving it right here. It's just a sonogram. These are all just actually his pictures. It's just all his whole entire life. That's Sunny and one of his closest friends. He lives like across the street. I actually start my days every day now, like by just saying a quick prayer. I guess just thanking God that I at least get to wake up every day.
The drugs that you see next to me were attempted to be smuggled into the United States from Mexico, concealed within a tractor trailer transporting produce.
So here's how the problem has grown with fentanyl. 4 years ago, we seized 0 fentanyl in Arizona. 0, not any. Last year, we seized hundreds of pounds of fentanyl powder and hundreds of thousands of tablets, which is capable of killing millions of Americans. So if you need to hide a kilogram or 2 kilograms of fentanyl, it's really easy to hide that in an 18-wheeler and get it across, and the chances of you being detected are relatively small. The reason that they're so involved in fentanyl is because we have so many people that are addicted to opioids in this country, and it's a venue for them to get into that market even more so than they did with the heroin. And remember, for fentanyl, it costs a couple of $1,000s to make enough drugs to make a couple of $1 million in profits.